Hey guys, John with HookahJohn.com here again with another video. Today's subject is bowl packing. Why is it that difficult? People are online saying, oh, I don't know, how do I pack this and what do I do with that? People, you got this. It's simple. Anybody can pack a bowl. Yeah, it takes a few tries. Yeah, I say just throw it in there. That's not literal. That's figuratively speaking. All right, so here you go. Let's take a brand like Tangiers. With Tangiers, I would use a smaller bowl, like the 80 feet Resurrection bowl, right? Because you don't want to use that much tobacco. It lasts quite a long time. So when I say throw it in there, yeah, start out by throwing it in there, you know, with some respect, with some decency. You can throw it in there, all right? I don't know what it's going to turn out to be yet. I'm still not done packing this, all right? Make sure your inner spire is clear. Is that enough? I don't know. Usually, sometimes, you're going to get good results either way. Pack it down a little bit. That's Tangiers. It needs a tiny bit more. Even it out. Keep it just below the rim a little bit, and then you do a pack. All right, I'm going to put a tiny bit more. That didn't take a lot. Were you concentrating? Were you sweating? Were you worried about anything? Go ahead and clean your outer rim a little bit here. Use forks, people. Use forks. I mean, have some sanitation. When you go to a restaurant, do you want someone using their bare hands to handle your food between cooked and not cooked, raw and cooked? Disgusting. Okay, check out this. This is a very important thing. Okay, just stretch your foil out there without breaking, without ripping it. Use one hand, probably should be on the other side, to go around and just get that drum tight. Use your other hand, swap it around. That's pretty drum tight. All right, we want to poke holes in this. Okay, I don't have a poker with me. Is it right there? Thank you, guy. All right, hold the rim of it so that you don't fold your foil down, you don't ruin your drum tight pack. Just like that. Okay, you'll get and master your own technique in no time, but you don't need a full-on tutorial because it's pretty easy. You can go this quick. Once you're down, once you get it all down, boom, there you go. Anything wrong with that? This will smoke for, I don't know, 2 hours. I mean, do you want to smoke longer than 2 hours? Let's say we're trying another brand like Fakher, one of the easiest brands to get down. What do? Okay, again, get a fork, stir it up. All right, it's not that difficult. Stir it up, and you will, when you're done doing this, and you master the throw it in there technique, it'll be easy. Okay, just loosen it up a little bit, put it in here. It's going to be a little clumpy at first, no problem. Just make sure it's a little porous looking, if you will, so that airflow gets in there. Okay, there's your old Fakher. I am literally throwing it in there. Well, not literally, but once you get it down, it's really that simple. You don't need much more advice than this, and you're going to have some good sessions. You're going to have some bad sessions, and if you try to spend half an hour on packing a bowl, you're still going to get some shitty sessions. Believe me, I've had those where people have told me, oh, this is the best way to pack and this and that. No, it's not. It's not the best way to pack. This is the best way to pack. Easy, simple. I mean, after all, you want to smoke hookah and you want to do something, especially something social. Then check out how I fold this again, up close. I'm using both hands here. Check that out. This is the way I'm holding my hands. Got every finger on the bottom of the bowl, the foil. All right, there we go. One side down. If it didn't come out perfectly, just go around the edges a little bit. I know my hand's covering it a little bit. There. All right, nice and drum tight. Okay, and again, when you're poking holes, keep your hand on the outer rim tight so that you don't ruin your foil. There you go. Simple. You've got this. You don't need more than a video like this. There's plenty out there too. But this shouldn't be, it's already taken too long. Let's try another brand. The new Cosmic 360. Okay, we'll use a tri-mini for this one. Very simple, okay? I'm not even that familiar with this brand. I've smoked it a few times. We smoked at a Hookah Expo Worldwide, didn't we? All right, stir it up in there, okay? It's got a bag. Keep your hands clean. Use a fork, okay? This is a newer brand that we don't have a ton of experience with. You can just tell by it's very choppy, which is a good thing. I like that because it's easier to keep it porous in there. All right, throw that in your hookah lexicon. Porous pack. All right, because that's all you're trying to do here. You're not trying to figure out levels of this and that. See, the good thing about the tri-mini, see those slits? You get more smoke through there. So I'm not going to go through and smoke these right now. You know why? Because I've got experience in smoking this. This is what I do every day, all day. It's not that difficult, and you can do it too. Again, don't make it too difficult. That's it. So this is your boy, HookahJohn. Foiling goes the same way. That's it. You got this. Make sure you're on Facebook, HookahJohn Circle of Friends, and on Facebook, Hookah Expo Worldwide. Talk to you guys soon. You guys got the bowl packing down. Right? Right. Bye.